Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video you'll get 5 websites where you can make up to $100 per day with no money and no skills. I promise you can learn these skills so that you can have more money, be able to spend more time with your family, and not have to worry about a job. But make sure you stick around until the end because I have a bonus for you of something that's in very high demand and it's super easy to do. So let's go ahead and get started right now. Okay, the first website is a print-on-demand website called Redbubble, and you can create products without any upfront cost. Okay, we're going to be talking about how to do print-on-demand just from your cell phone. And rather than having to think of some type of design, what we're going to do is think of some sort of saying. There's plenty of best-selling products out there that just have one simple saying on a t-shirt, and we're going to be putting that on a t-shirt, pillow, mask, mug, all different kinds of products. So the first place you can go is just go to pixabay.com or pexels.com and search funny sayings. There's a few of them in here. If we go to Pixabay, you can see that they're not necessarily funny, but they're just clever sayings. If you can read this, bring me some whiskey. I like my cat more than I like people, those kind of things. You can, again, go to Pexels. There wasn't that many in here. There was stubborn on vision, flexible on details. I really like that. I also like all you need is coffee. You can also go to Pinterest and search funny sayings. I found a lot of great content in here that we could use on a t-shirt design or a mug. You can just scroll through and see some days you eat salads and go to the gym. Some days you eat cupcakes and refuse to put on pants. It's called balance. I like that. And then another place you can go is Instagram and search people's pages. Like me being in the healthcare industry for 30 years, I think it's totally hilarious to go to nurses' pages. It just cracks me up because I know what goes on in healthcare. So you can just search some nurses' pages and see what they have on there to get some ideas. Also, you can go to Google and search something like dumbest things ever said. I found something like, just found out that my birthday is on the same day when I was born. I want my first daughter to be a girl. You can search through there and get some ideas. Second thing you're going to do is download Adobe Spark on your iPhone. There is a free version, and you're going to be creating text inside of the app the way you want it to show on the product. I'll show you how to do it inside of Canva on this computer, but you want it to be 5,000 by 5,000. And when you go to download it after you create this text, you have the option to remove the background, and you definitely want to do that. In case you're having trouble with Adobe Spark, there's tutorials on YouTube, and most people who are good with computers are more than happy to show you how to use something like this, or your kids can help you. You definitely could find somebody to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. But if you absolutely do not want to do it on your cell phone, I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer. You can go to canva.com and you would go to a custom design. So let me go over to Canva. You would click on create a design right here in the upper right hand corner, and you see where it says custom dimensions. You would put in 5,000 by 5,000 and click on create a new design. And you can just use this blank one here. I would make the writing white and the background black. So we're going to do that, and we're going to take the text here, and whatever font you want, you can change it in here. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, I'm going to leave a link up above. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. So I'm going to write, I had already made one inside of Redbubble, but what I'm going to write on here is what my patient said. I think she was the most funny patient that I've had in 30 years. Another therapist was helping her back to bed, and she said, "This is the stupidest world that I've ever lived in." And she had a German accent. She was so hilarious. But I was just going to use that as an example because I thought it was really funny. So then after you do that, just space it out however you want. And you can change the font, of course, and the size. Okay, I'm just going to download it here. And then what we want to do is remove the background, because otherwise you'll have this square on there. Same thing with the Adobe Spark. You want to remove the background. And again, I'm just going to show this to you on a computer so you get the idea of how you'll do it on your cell phone. On a computer, there's something called remove.bg, and that will take out the background. You just upload it, and it just takes a few minutes. And then this removes the black background. Of course, you can't see it because it's white. But this right here, particular one, it isn't free. It was like $1.99 to download the high resolution. You don't want to do this one here because it won't show up right. So just download that, and then you have your text. And then we're going to go to Redbubble and register as a seller for free. Now you can't use Redbubble app on your iPhone because that's just for purchasing. So you want to go to the actual website. I'll leave a link in the description below the video, but it's redbubble.com/about/selling. And so if we go to that site right here, what you'll do is the upper right-hand corner where it says sign up, you want to sign up as an artist rather than a customer. You will You'll put in your email, make a shop name and your password, and just click on sign up. And once you get in here, all you do is just click on add new work. So upper right hand corner here, and then you're just going to upload your design. Okay, so after it's uploaded, of course you can't see it here because it's white on white, but you can change the background color of the shirts here and whatever products that you're going to put this on. So if you want to do it on pillows, shower curtains, anything pretty much they have in here, you can do that. But the most popular is the black. We're going to do that. And we can change it, of course, because this isn't fitting on there. So you can change the size of it and just make it smaller so that it fits inside of the cell phone case. So you get the idea. Pretty much any product that's in here, it will just automatically appear there. And then you can enable it or disable it. So if you don't want it to show up like on a throw or something, you can have it disabled. And then the ones that you do want it to show up on, you can enable it. And again, you can edit any of them. After you upload the design and you decide what products you want to sell, then you want to make sure you add relevant keywords. So you'll do that right here. You're going to put your title, relevant keywords, and description of what your design is about. The second website is called Skillshare, and Skillshare is an online learning community that it's subscription based, and you can create online courses and earn money by royalty payments by the number of minutes your course is watched. But you may be thinking, I can't create a course. I don't know anything about anything. But think about the things that people ask you for advice about. And you could create a course around that, or think of your hobbies like gardening. Like I found this on Facebook and I thought this would be the greatest course to create is how to create a container garden. And they had 50 different container gardening projects. This would be a great course if you know something about gardening. Also, if you know something about, let's say, beekeeping. My sister did some beekeeping. She's really good at that. And I looked in here and there's actually no one who has created a course around beekeeping. This would be a great course to create if you know something about beekeeping. Maybe if you know something about knitting, kite surfing. I have to do a shout out to my friend Marie. She started doing some videos around kiteboarding and kite surfing. And I would say this would be a great topic to create courses around in Skillshare. So Marie, if you're listening to this, I would go ahead and do that. It sounds like you know a lot about kite surfing. So in order to sign up, all you do is go to Skillshare.com. You'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Become a Teacher. And even if you don't know anything about something that you could create a course around, go out there and learn it. You can go on YouTube and learn things for free. You can go to a website called Udemy, take their free courses, and just come up with a course on your own and be able to list it on Skillshare. And you don't have to worry about getting any traffic because people have subscriptions to this website and they get all the traffic for you. So on average, they say first-time teachers earn around $200 in their first month, with top teachers earning up to $3,000 in a month. I know some people are making a full-time income with this website up to $100,000 per year. The way you get paid is through PayPal on the 16th of the following month. So you'll get paid in March for what you did in February. So you get paid for the next month what you earned the previous month. The next websites are having to do with selling your photos and videos. The first one is Shutterstock, and you can sell your videos and photos on this website here. Basically, you're going to create these high-quality images and videos, submit it, and then you get paid every time your content is downloaded. And this can definitely add up if people really like your content, and it will get downloaded over and over again. And you can see that they've paid out $1 billion so far over the last 15 years to contributors. And this is just an example of a photo that's gone viral inside of Shutterstock. The second website may not pay you quite as much, but it's just another option that I wanted to give to you. It's called Fope.com. Just click right here on Sell Your Content. And you can see that you'll upload your videos and photos here, just like Shutterstock, and they share the profit with you 50-50. I think it's around $5 that you earn per video or photo, but I know someone that had a lot of sales and just on one photo made over $3,000. So it just depends on how many times the photo is purchased. You can scroll down here and see this video where they talked about it on the news. Next website, I wanted to lump all these together because they're similar. You can rent out space or rent out items that you have around your house. First one is Neighbor.com. You can rent out your basement, for example, your closet, driveway, garage, just some extra space that you have that you're not using. And this is just an example of what you might get for a basement for a year. And then of course a closet wouldn't earn you that much money, but these can definitely all add up. The next one is called Fat Llama, and you can rent out items that you have around the house. Like if you have a drone, you can see that this drone is being rented out for $160 a day. Projector and screen. This is just around where I live in Las Vegas. Just to give you some examples. And then the other website is called Baby Quip, and you can rent your baby gear in over 500 locations. So you can see all the different states here where you can rent out your baby equipment. And then number 5 is Digistore24, and I love this website because it is free and it is worldwide. I'm going to share with you 2 products that I think are really good to promote in Digistore24. So if we go here to the website and then just click on Marketplace, if you scroll down, you'll see this one here. It's one of my favorites to promote. It's Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. And Matt runs 9 different YouTube channels where he doesn't show his face. And he has this training where he shows you exactly how he does it. And you can promote it with this webinar that's excellent. He does have a really great affiliate support page, and you do earn 50% commissions on $997. And I did do a step-by-step on how you would promote this in this video right here, $100 per day step-by-step. I will post this video in the description below this video. And the second one I would recommend, go over to personal development. And it's the second one here, Mass Control System. And this is by Wesley Virgin, and you earn $500 per sale. And he does have some really great marketing tools here as well. But I would recommend that you promote this on YouTube and TikTok. And in that video that I mentioned, I go into detail on how you would do that. But there's a way that you can do this for completely free. And TikTok right now is a great way to promote affiliate products. For example, my friend here is promoting a ClickBank product, and he's already made a sale. And he's using TikTok and creating these videos where he doesn't show his face or anything. So TikTok is a great way to promote affiliate products right now, as well as YouTube. And this is the bonus that I wanted to talk to you about. Okay, you can go to Fiverr.com and add subtitles to people's videos. Let me show you what I mean. This person right here on Fiverr is making $10 for a 5-minute video. And I'm going to share with you a software that you can use to do this very, very easily. So for 5 minutes, they're making $10, $20 for a 10-minute video, and then up to 15 minutes, $30. So even if you did a 20-minute video, you could charge like $40. And you can see that this person is making sales. They have 90 reviews and then 2 orders in queue. So this is something that is very in demand right now because there's a lot of people that do video marketing. So you could create a gig on Fiverr, or in order to get clients, you could find large YouTube channels that do not have subtitles on their videos. So these large YouTube channels will have the funds to hire you to create subtitles for their videos. And you can offer to do one video for free. Tell them that 92% of people listen to videos with the sound off on their mobile device. So with subtitles, you'll get more views, which will turn into more leads and more sales. Let me show you how you're going to do this completely automated, almost completely automated. You're going to have to do some work. And this is not free, but it's very, very inexpensive because you could make this money back with one video. The pricing on this software is like $19 per month for 10 videos. And you can't go over 20 minutes. I have the standard here, but you can see it's not very much. And again, if you're making $20, $30, $40 a video, that definitely will pay for this software. So all you do is you take and you add their video here. So I'll give you an example here. This is one that I did, and this video was 18 minutes long. So as soon as you add the video in, it will give you all the captions right here. It will add the subtitles right here. You can see they're added over here. And then what you'll do is you'll go through and listen to the video and make sure what is written over here is correct, because you want to have it be 100% accurate. And you're going to be doing excellent work for people. So they'll come back and hire you again. So imagine if you had several people that you were doing subtitles for a month, that could turn into a full-time income for you. Like I use people on Fiverr for my thumbnails, and I use them over and over again because they do a great job. In fact, it's just one person right now, and he makes a lot of money from me buying thumbnails every week. So if you had a few clients that you were doing subtitles for, you could make a really good income doing this. You just go through here and make sure everything is correct as far as what is being said in the video. Then you download it and just get the video to them. So if you're still here, I can tell you're someone who really wants to change your life. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make $900 per day from home with no skills and no job. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.